So, as we get older, our health becomes more important. Things start to fall apart, not work as well as they once did. So, it's really important that, we take an active role in our health and address issues as they come up. But one thing I hear commonly is people are having a hard time finding the right care. They're frustrated with not finding the answers, still feeling not well. So, one of the things that I really recommend is becoming aware of your body and being more in tune with your body. Pay attention. You live with your body every day, so you know what is normal. So, advocate for yourself. If you feel something is off, really make sure that you're expressing that to your healthcare provider. And if you feel like you're not being heard or not being listened to, get a second opinion. Another thing that's really useful and helpful is do your own research, but it doesn't mean that you take the internet at whatever answer it gives you, at face value, but look into what other possibilities could be going on. It's okay to research things, but then have the conversation with a licensed healthcare professional and talk about what you found and questions you might have. Awareness is a good thing, education is a good thing. But talk to somebody who also specializes in those things too, because maybe there's something that you missed or didn't put in right that could be affecting those results that you're getting. And sometimes maybe you find an alternative treatment or something that you're interested in. That's a great starting point to bring up with your doctor or healthcare provider of what are their thoughts on that. Are there other people who specialize in that? Just once again, being curious, asking questions, and not being afraid to have a conversation with your healthcare providers is really important because, like I said, you know your body, you know what feels off. If 5 years ago you didn't have this constant pain and now every day you wake up with this pain, probably means that something's going on, something has changed. So, what is it? Why is that happening? What can you do about it? So take the time to listen to your body, to check in with your body, and talk to people about it, research things, and bring that to the conversation so you can get the best possible care and not feel like you're struggling every day. Because when our body's not working, it's really hard to have good overall mental health. Whether we're feeling tired or sluggish or don't want to get out of bed or can't move and can't do the things that we once enjoyed. So having good health also helps you have better mental health. So pay attention to both body and mind. Make sure that you are having those conversations and addressing them and not just ignoring them, because I haven't met many people that had a health issue and they just ignored it and it went away for real. Those things stay. You have to actively do something about it. So take care of yourself. Don't be afraid to have those conversations. And if you're not feeling heard, find somebody else to talk to in that professional field to help you with those issues. And also, sometimes friends and family who have been through similar things can be great resources to talk and explore things. But once again, then follow through with your healthcare provider or professional in that field. And good luck.